What is the volume of a piece of metal that has a mass of 300 grams and a density of 6 grams per centimetres cubed? So let's look at my triangle, and the little jingle is Monkey Victory Dance. Let's see what we've got. We've got the mass is 300 grams. The volume, that's what I want to find out. And the density is 6 grams per centimetres cubed. Let's cover up what I want to find out, which is the volume, which is telling me that I need to do mass divided by density. So mass was 300 grams divided by density, which is 6 grams per centimetres cubed. So that's 300 divided by 6, which is 50. And its volume, so the volume unit that we're looking at there is the centimetres cubed, because grams divided by grams, they cancel each other out. You're left with the centimetres cubed. So my answer is 50 centimetres cubed.